Best stainless steel Pakkad. Number 5. Conquer times stainless steel Pakkad. Wire Tong plain utility Pakkad. Approx price 209 rupees. Heavy duty, superior quality assured. Material stainless steel. Sturdy tips make it easy for lifting, flipping, turning. Number 4. Kuber Industries stainless steel Pakkad. Kitchen Tong. Approx price 141 rupees. Material stainless steel. Product dimension 27 by 1 by 1 semi. Firm grip while lifting and turning small and medium sized pots. The sleek handles ensure a good grip. Number 3. SKARS stainless steel Pakkad Sandasi wire tongue. Approx price 269.80 rupees. SKARS stainless steel Pakkad. Tong wire it's used in kitchen for serving food. Useful tool. Unique design. High quality standards. Steel wire tongues. Durable and comfortable. Number 2. Plantex stainless steel premium quality matte finish Pakkad. Kitchen Pincers. Approx price 326 rupees. Dimension 26 by 8 by 2 semi. Resistant to corrosion. Made from high grade stainless steel premium quality matte finish. Pakkad gives you the perfect grip in handling your cooking. Number 1. Storite 2-pack stainless steel easy grip Sansi, Sandasi, Pakkad, Chimta, kitchen pincer, utensil holder. 25 by 6 by 1 semi. Approx price 299 rupees. Beautiful designed smart kitchen with 2 hold. The sleek handles ensure a good grip. Extremely durable and easy to wash. A very useful and highly resourceful kitchen item. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.